Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back on EduHub. Today we will discuss about COVID-19 hotspot in India. Do you guys know about hotspot? On the basis of the areas where large COVID-19 outbreaks has been reported, these areas are termed as hotspot. These days it is a very popular term used by many people, even government. So in cluster, if we see a significant spread, then it will known as a hotspot. So it is according to the guideline issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So here let's discuss about the zones. So Government of India divided zones into three parts: red zones, orange zones, and the green zones. Red zones means all the hotspot districts with large outbreaks and clusters. This is very danger area. Then coming to orange zone, it's a district which has not seen any new cases in the last 14 days. And the green zone, which are not infected districts or cities. So our red zone districts can be moved into the green zones if there is no new cases in last 28 days. And the orange zone can be converted into the green zone if there is no cases in the past 14 days. So we'll discuss here about the red zone. So we'll take the cities names state wise, and we'll get to know about different red zones in different states. So coming to Andhra Pradesh, it has 12 red zones. These are Anantapur, Chittor, East Godavari, Guntur East, Nellore, Kurnool, Parakasham, Sirimulu, Nellore, Vishakhapatnam North, West Godavari, Krishna, and Kadapa. In Assam, we have 4 red zones. These are Dhubri, Golpara, Golakhat, and Morigaon. In Bihar, we have 4. These are Begusarai, Gaya Town, Munger, and Siwan. In Chhattisgarh, there is only 2. These are Korba and Raipur rural. In case of Gujarat, there are 6: Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar, Patan, Rajkot, Surat, Vadodara. In case of Haryana, there are 6: Faridabad, Gurugram, Nuh, Palwal, Ambala, and Karnal. In case of Himachal Pradesh, there are 4: Chamba, Kangra, Sirmaur, Solan. Then in case of Jharkhand, there are 2: Bokaro and Ranchi. In case of Karnataka, there are 8: Bagalkot, Bangalore Urban, Belgium, Bidar, Dakshin Kannada, Dharwad, Gulbarga Rural, and Mysuru. In case of Kerala, there are 2: Kannur, Kasargod, Malappuram, and Kozhikode. In case of Madhya Pradesh, there are 6: Bhopal, Hoshangabad, Indore, Khargaon, Morena, and Ujjain. In case of Maharashtra, there are 14. In Maharashtra, there are a lot of cases, and these are Ahmednagar, Amravati, Aurangabad Central, Buldhana, Kolhapur North, Mumbai City, Mumbai Urban, Nagpur Central, Nashik, Palghar, Pune, Sangli, Thane, and Yavatmal. In case of Orissa, there are 2: Bhadrak and Khorda. In case of Punjab, there are 6: Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Navrangpur, Mansa, Pathalkot, and Nagar. In case of Rajasthan, there are 12: Bikaner, Basbara, Bharatpur, Bhilwara, Jhunjhunu, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jhalabad, Kota, Tok, and Udaipur. In case of Tamil Nadu, there are many. You can read here. And in case of Uttarakhand, there are 2: Dehradun and Nainital. Then in case of Telangana, there are 9: Hyderabad, Gadwal, Karimnagar, Medchal, Nalgonda, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Rangareddy, and Warangal Urban. In case of Uttar Pradesh, there are 23: Agra, then Basti, Bulandshahr, Bhagapat, Firozabad, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Ghaziabad, Lucknow, Meerut, Muradabad, Shahranpur, and Shamli. In case of West Bengal, there are 4: Howrah, Kolkata, North, 24 Paragas, Purva, Medinipur. In case of Chhattisgarh, there are Chhattisgarh, and in case of Jammu and Kashmir, there are 8: Bandipora, Baramulla, Jammu, Kupwara, Srinagar, Udhampur, Rajouri, Shopian. In case of National Capital Territory, Delhi, there are Central Delhi, East Delhi, New Delhi, North Delhi, Northeast, then South Delhi, Southeast, Sahdara, Southwest, and West Delhi. So these are the red zone areas. I have considered these important because these are the areas where you should not go, and you should restrict it to these zones. If you are there, then you can save many lives. And as the lockdown going to be extended in some days, so these are the zone which can be considered as are zones which the government is not permitting for the extending of lockdown. So you can see here, wherever you are, in whichever state you are, you can consider these as a red zone areas, and you can plan further. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and subscribe and click on bell icon to get updated with the new